Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Instapage, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create an Instapage account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an Instapage account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to have various landing pages for your offers, and Instapage is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on the Instapage website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up the Instapage website, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to create an Instapage account, you want to go ahead and click on this Get Started button here on the top right. All right, once you do that, Instapage will bring you to their pricing page. So they have a couple of different pricing plans. From time to time, they do run free trials. You can see on this offer, they're doing a 14-day free trial. Again, check my description and I'll try to leave the most recent free trial there. So go ahead and just scroll through these and see which one applies to you. If you want to see what the different features are, just click on this button and now you can go ahead and see what the differences are. So the main difference is going to be how many visitors you plan on having to your landing pages. I'm small potatoes, so 15,000 monthly visitors is totally fine with me. However, if you have more visitors, you probably want to go ahead and sign up for at least the optimized. Also with the optimized plan, you can go ahead and split test and optimize your conversions, as you can see right here. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use the optimized. Okay, next, in order to create an Instapage account, you can go ahead and use your Google to sign up, or you can use your email. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use my email. Okay, next, you need to go ahead and enter your first name, last name, your company name if you have one, country of residence, work email, and then create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and do this off screen. Okay, next, in order to create your Instapage account, you need to enter in your credit card information. However, as you can see right here, if you're signing up for the free trial, then you're not going to have to pay anything today. However, this credit card will be billed immediately after the free trial, or if you exceed 2,500 unique visitors. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this as monthly, and I'm going to go ahead and enter in my credit card information off screen. Okay, I entered in all the required information. I'm going to click on sign up. Okay, next, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now they're letting me know I need to verify the email that was sent from Instapage in order to create my account. So I'm going to go ahead and check that email now. Okay, I checked the email and I clicked on the verification link and it brought me here. So now I'm back here on the Instapage welcome screen. So let me click on get started. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now I am inside of my Instapage account that I signed up for. So I can go ahead and start creating landing pages and setting up my account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an Instapage account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.